Okay, please introduce yourself.
My name is Ronalyn Ablao, 38 years old,
Why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
to support my educational of my daughter
How are you qualified for this job?
because I have experience as a domestic helper,
May I know what is your educational level?
college undergraduate.
Have you worked abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your recent working experience or your last job?
In Saudi Arabia, ma'am,
You work as what?
as domestic helper, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any serious injury or illness?
No, ma'am.
Are you taking your medication or any vitamins?
Yes, ma'am. Contraceptive pills.
Okay. Is all your child normal delivery or C-section?
Normal, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dish?
Arabic basic food, Chinese, Filipino food.
Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. I can sew.
Using what?
Sew, ma'am. Sewer.
Sewing, yes. You're using by hand or by machine?
I'm using by machine, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have experience taking care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of before?
My daughter, ma'am.
And children?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose children you taking care of?
My current employer, ma'am.
Your previous employer
My
children.
previous employer, sorry.
Do you have experience taking care of the elderly?
Yes, ma'am. My neighbor.
Your employer neighbor.
Yes, ma'am.
So what did you do to the elderly? How are you taking care of the elderly?
I change diaper, take him a bath, feed him.
Okay. Are you willing to work with any race employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work where the employer, where the parent or parent-in-law stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have to do all the housework, including gardening and car washing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
One, ma'am.
Are you legally married?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you part of the LGBT?
No, ma'am.
When your baby was born, who take care of her?
I'm the one who take her, ma'am.
Okay. Who will take care of your kid if you will work abroad?
My husband and my mother-in-law, ma'am.
You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No friends and relatives can come in the employer's house. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You strictly need to surrender your phone to your employer in the morning and they will return back to you once your work is done. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you misuse the handphone policy, employer will confiscate your phone and you're only allowed to call 4 times in a month only. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you misuse the rule, do you understand the rules and regulation of the handphone policy?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not allowed to use makeup or wear sexy clothes. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any allergy to food or any seafoods?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pets?
No, ma'am.
Do you have friends and relatives here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
How many years are you planning to work in Malaysia?
2 years, ma'am.
If let's say the employer still want to renew you, are you willing to renew?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken your vaccination?
Yes, ma'am.
What dose?
Pfizer, ma'am.
Have you infected by Omicron or COVID and or Omicron before?
No, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have an off day, but then you are not allowed to go out from the employer's house? You will rest inside the employer's house only.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you undergo any surgery before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any sickness like high blood pressure, thyroid, asthma, diabetes, or any medical problem?
No, ma'am.
Are you wearing eyeglasses?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any problem in hearing?
No, ma'am.
Do you meet any accident before, like broken leg, hand, or any metal in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand and agree that we will upload your video recording in our website?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer is watching you right now, what do you want to tell them?
Hello, ma'am, sir. Please excuse me because I have experience as a domestic helper.
Okay, that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Ronaline, if let's say there's an employer wanted to interview you, we will inform the Philippine agency or we will directly call you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your time.